Hello and welcome to the Marine Channel, and we've got a world premiere for you down here at the Palma International Boat Show. And here she is. This is the Sole SP35. And we're starting at the stern because we've got this lovely shot, these pair of V6 Yamaha 300s, which look absolutely gorgeous. I love the paint on it. It's like a metallic sort of white. So this boat has come from a Turkish builder. It's just arrived at the show. It was cleaned yesterday. And I think we're about the first people to step aboard. So let me tell you all about this boat. Now, two things attracted me. Number one was the layout, because it's got this gorgeous, quite simple, elegant layout. But the second thing was the price of this boat. So this boat with these engines, which are capable of 45 knots, by the way, which is plenty for most people, more likely cruising at 25. This boat, in this spec, with the joystick control and the autopilot, is €278,000 plus tax. Now, if you do your homework and compare it with other stuff, that represents incredible value. The base price of this boat is $264,000. So there's not a lot of options actually on this one. So they're very, very well spec'd indeed. So starting at the back here, we've got this great sun pad area. And then we step into the kind of dining area, I guess, half a step down. All this this teak, this plexi teak, is standard on the boat. So the table, all the decking and so forth, that's all standard. The T-top you see here is standard. Never take these things for granted, because quite often this is what pushes the prices up, and you start with a sensible base price, then all of a sudden it becomes hundreds of thousands of euros more. But this boat, as I say, has got this all included. So we've got this seating area, which I'd say is probably good for about 6 people. Maybe squeeze a couple more in if you wanted. And then you've got this nice big, I would say probably triple helm seat. And it's a lovely, clean, clear design. So this is literally hull number one. When we do a world premiere, quite often we don't get hull number one, but this is the real deal. So this has got a Rain Marine single screen. Talking to the guys there, they'll do an installation if you want twin screens, but frankly, actually, with these multifunction displays, for most people, one is enough. But there you go. If you want to have two, you can. Joystick controls there, twin throttles, all the bits and pieces you'd like. And then you've got this kind of half screen design here. You can see the tint on it. So you got nice airflow in between the T-top and the screen. And we'll just move around onto the bow area. A couple little steps up, but really nice high sides here. I'd say they're kind of, yeah, they're certainly knee high to me. So I'm feeling really secure as I move around the boat. And then we've got this nice sun pad at the front. And this is nice and flat as well. So I can perch myself here if I want and have a conversation with my guests. But it's just a very, very clean design, don't you think? The way they've got those handrails sort of integrated into the side there, so you can hang your fenders off, keeps these sides all kind of clutter free. And then at the front here, we've also got our windlass. Oh, access in here, says he. There you go. The one thing I tried to open won't open. That's me. Anyway, I'm sure, like most things, that's chains and lockers and all that kind of stuff. We'll work our way back down along the side here, because there's some accommodation down below. So although this is probably, for most people, a very sociable day boat, what you have got is the advantage you can stay on it overnight. So another thing I liked and I noticed was it's only one little step down into the cabin here. And then we've got a really good sized double. A little bit of storage shelving on the side there. Usual boat show paraphernalia there. But we've got some cupboard space in behind there. And if we pan around here, quite a nice little addition. Here's a fridge. Not sure if it comes with beer as standard. I'm sure that if you ask nicely, it might. And then we've got our heads, which is a good size actually. So we've got our loo in there, little sink, big mirror. So apologies for the reflection of me, but everything you need really for an overnight. So if you do go out with friends and you have a couple of beers and you're moored up outside a restaurant somewhere and you think, do you know what, I'm not going to go home, I'll stay the day or stay the night on here and leave in the morning, that's exactly what this will do. So let us know what you think. It's a new boat. It's following a kind of well-proven format. There's lots of choice in this area of the market, but I think the execution on this one is good, really good actually. And it looks very, very clean. All the mouldings and that look nice. And also the price point looks absolutely fantastic. So I can see this one really getting some traction. So if you haven't subscribed, maybe today is the day to subscribe. That'd be wonderful. And if you click the alerts button, then when we release a new video, we'll let you know about it, and you can tell us what you think. Comment on this one. We'd love to hear your thoughts, and spread the word. Let your friends know all about it. It's why we do it here at the Marine Channel. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.